Want to know how to keep records in Java? So, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily keep records in Java. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So in this video, we will be using records or keep records by using HashMap. So right here, you should be seeing HashMap in our previous videos as well. You can check out other tutorials. So HashMaps store data in key value pairs, so you can easily retrieve information. For example, we can store IDs as keys and course names as values. So in this code, printing all hash maps shows all records, and if you want to access a specific record, we simply call get right here. In this code right here, we have used this key. So this approach right here in this code is perfect when you need to quickly look up for details without searching through arrays or list manually. So you can just simply copy up this code and customize it by yourself, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.